Then they reviewed it. The umpire's upstairs. He gave out. Can't understand what the confusion is all about.
One of the most exciting sides.
Sri Balaji
and they have
for
some
Chennai Rhinos has to come in at a very critical juncture in the game. He's lost his opening batsman Jiva. Played 3 games so far in the CCL 2012, 5 runs he scored, so he hasn't got going at all. And now he finds himself facing the second delivery in this all-important game in front of a packed house here. What a start, Saba. It's been a really action-packed evening so far.
So Karthik has struck for the Rhinos. The first delivery ball, he got rid of Jiva. Bowled quite well in that semi-final encounter also. Again, the same swing delivery. This time umpire is not impressed. He indicates the height. He was caught on the move, Sri Balaji here.
Last time he said outside off stump, he was wrong. This time it was the height issue, and he's absolutely right over there. He's really making the ball to talk. Come back in sharply. He's got a good strong action. Bowls it on the seam. Been really impressed with the wicket in these very 2 deliveries. It's been carrying through. There is something for this medium pacers which you mentioned in your pitch report.
Actually, I was pleasantly surprised with this track here. It has a fair covering of grass, and that should assist the pace bowlers, especially with the new ball. It is also a surface where batsmen can play their shots on trust, because the bounce is bound to be consistent. All this bodes well for this T20 battle in the middle, the big final.
But that was a first ball which got the wicket. That's the slow motion replay what we got to see in the comm box. But he's really bowling it well. No wonder they were here 2 hours early on the ground. They have clearly warmed themselves up. They are bang on target right from the word go. Karnataka Bulldozers, they looked a strong team right throughout this tournament, and they're proving it to be in the finals as well. Well, Gundappa Vishwanath, the mentor of Karnataka Bulldozers, and it's his birthday today, Saba.
So best wishes from all of us in the commentators box and from the production team. Wonderful man. He's been a great human being and a great ambassador for cricket for a number of years now. While he played Test cricket, all of us were a big fan of his batting skills. And since it's his retirement, it's his demeanor and his personality that has impressed all of us. So many happy returns of the day, sir. May you have a great year ahead. Down the leg side, hard appeal again by Karthik.
That's the end of an excellent first over for Karnataka Bulldozers. Maiden wicket by Karthik.